Let's make your spreadsheet do the work for you with formulas and functions. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create formulas, use common functions, and understand how cell references work. Let's begin. A formula is an equation that tells numbers what calculation to perform. Every formula begins with an equal sign, which tells numbers you're entering a calculation instead of regular text. Let's create our first formula. Click an empty cell, type equals 10 plus 5, then press return. Numbers immediately displays the answer. Using cell references is much more powerful. If B2 contains 5 and B3 contains 8, type equals B2 plus B3, then press return. If either value changes later, the result updates automatically. Now let's total a range of numbers. Click the cell where you want the total. Type equals sum open bracket B2 colon B6 close bracket, then press return. Numbers adds every value in that range automatically. You don't always have to type formulas yourself. Select the empty cell below your data. Click Insert, choose Formula, then Sum. Numbers detects the range automatically and inserts the formula for you. Let's calculate an average. Click an empty cell. Type equals average open bracket B2 colon B6 close bracket, then press return. Numbers calculates the average of all the selected values. Finding the highest and lowest values is just as easy. Type equals max open bracket B2 colon B6 close bracket to find the highest value. Or type equals mn open bracket B2 colon B6 close bracket to find the lowest value. You can also count entries automatically. Type equals count open bracket B2 colon B6 close bracket, then press return. Numbers counts every numeric value in the selected range. Numbers also supports all the basic math operations. Use the plus sign for addition, minus for subtraction, the asterisk for multiplication, and the forward slash for division. For example, type equals B2 asterisk B3 or equals B4 forward slash B5. Now let's calculate a percentage. If the price is in B2 and the discount is in C2, type equals B2 asterisk open bracket 1 minus C2 close bracket, then press return. The discounted price updates automatically whenever either value changes. Let's see what happens when you copy a formula. A formula like equals a 2 plus B2 automatically becomes equals a 3 plus B3 when copied to the next row. This is called a relative reference, and it's the default behavior in numbers. Copying formulas is even faster with AutoFill. Select the cell containing your formula, then drag the small yellow circle downward. Numbers copies the formula into each row while adjusting the references automatically. You can always review the formula behind the result. Click any cell containing a calculation, and the formula appears in the formula editor, where you can review or edit it whenever needed. If a formula doesn't work, check these common issues. Make sure every formula starts with an equal sign. Confirm you selected the correct cells. Check that all brackets are balanced, and verify that you're working with numbers instead of text. Editing a formula only takes a moment. Double-click the formula cell, make your changes, then press return. Numbers immediately recalculates the result. You now know how to create formulas, use cell references, perform calculations, calculate totals and averages, find the highest and lowest values, count entries, calculate percentages, and copy formulas with AutoFill. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to sort and filter data, create charts, and turn your spreadsheets into visual reports.